Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 GMC Yukon Denali. This one is basically as fully loaded as you can possibly get with the 6.2 and all that fun stuff. I'm gonna make my time outside pretty short because it is like 22 degrees. Total price of $83,945. This is the Denali Ultimate Package, which is $11,255. Cayenne red tint coat and a floor console that's power sliding center with drawer. But yeah. This one has the air ride and all that fun stuff, which the air ride just absolutely makes this thing. Of course, featuring the 6.2, which is the same basic motor as the Camaro. And then under the running boards, you can't really see it. You can see it on remote start, but there's a light strip, an LED light strip under the running board that functions as like a puddle light. Yeah. Look at this thing. I mean, come on. My question is, how... See, it says power folding, or does it say power... floor console power sliding? So it's like... I don't know where that... what that means. Unless that means this. But I don't think it does. Anyway, this is teak and light shale interior. Of course, it's the light color version. All the materials in here are very, very top notch. Even for this not being the top of the line for this platform, that of course goes to your Escalade. All your stitching is completely authentic, no fake molded plastic in here. The only hard plastic I see, because even this is all, that's real wood, wow. Only hard plastic I see is right here. That's the only hard plastic, and down by your feet. But like, that stuff you're never gonna touch. All the stuff you can see, even the steering wheel, all of this is leather wrapped. And then this isn't your typical hard plastic. It kind of has a rubberized feel. This all has texture. You got Denali on the airbag cover. Nice horn. You still have that cross stitching, which is absolutely phenomenal. Just the amount of time and effort they spent on the interior is mind-blowing. New screen, of course. Now keep in mind, this one does have the screen protector on it. I got a bunch of crap from people in the comments for me taking that off, but honestly, we're supposed to, so I don't know what you guys are complaining about. You have a bunch of different cameras. I think there's something like 16 cameras. You have trailering, checklists, and stuff like that. You can track your mileage and all that fun stuff. The guest trailer. You can name your trailer. I'll name it Walter. You know, you can go through. It says which different kind of trailer. Walter likes to boat, so we'll do that. You can go towing assistance, tow haul mode reminder when you hook it up. It's pretty crazy. And you can go through and check everything. I mean, it's awesome. I'll go into trailers. You can edit your miles, but I'm going to go ahead and delete Walter, just so the person buying this isn't like, who's Walter? In terms of settings, I mean, you got all kinds of stuff you can adjust. This one, as stated before, has your air suspension, which is mainly controlled by this button here, the same knob that adjusts your drive modes. You can go normal, you press it, and then you adjust with that. Increased, maximum, and you can go into entry, exit. We will keep it at normal. When you go into off-road mode, it automatically raises it up. Also have valet mode, so I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, enter, 1, 2, 3, 4, whoa, whoops, 1, 2, 3, 2, enter, 1, 2, 3, 2, lock, so yeah, this is your valet mode. They can't blare your radio or anything like that. And then to exit it, 1, 2, 3, 2. It's kind of cool. You might have heard that. It kind of unlocks everything. Your different suspension modes, your service mode. But yeah, let's go for a drive. Only transmission available for your Yukon is the 10-speed automatic. Fantastic transmission, co-developed with Ford. This is probably my favorite spec'd Yukon we have in currently. It is absolutely beautiful. The cayenne red tint coat is such a phenomenal color. Auto start stop, of course. You can either lift your foot off the brake for a quick second to turn it back on, or there's a button here you can press. Honestly, matter of fact, there's your previous generation Tahoe. So the step up between generations is absolutely amazing, especially with the 6.2. Here we go. Point it straight and hit it. It's just absolutely unbelievable how powerful the 6.2 is. Made it to the 10-speed, it's always in the correct gear because there's 10 to choose from. You can't even really feel the shifts. All you can really is just hear them. But you definitely don't feel a lull in acceleration, so to speak. It just keeps pulling. And with that air suspension, if you're looking for it, you can feel it adjust. So say you hit a pothole, you'll feel it all of a sudden firm up very, very quickly. For example, you could take a speed bump at 20, 25, faster than you ever really should. When it first hits that speed bump, you'll feel it get really, really soft, and then boom, all of a sudden it firms up. And then by the time you go over the speed bump, and if it didn't have the air suspension, it would hit, it's firmed up, and you just go boom. It's really, really kind of freaky the first time you think about it, because you think, this is actually true. The faster you go, the smoother it is. It's really, really crazy. I drove the AT4 with the air suspension, and I thought it was an AT4 specific thing. No, I guess you can get it on the Denali too, and that is absolutely excellent because it really is that good. With the air suspension, you also don't get any body roll. I mean, you'll get a little bit, but it firms itself up quite nicely. Give it a little bit more ground clearance here in off-road mode to see how that affects the ride, if it firms it up or if it's a little bit smoother. Automatically, I can tell throttle response has been reduced quite greatly. Steering's a lot lighter. We'll go ahead and see how it does on this test. You put it up on the curb and then you come off. That is impressive to say the least. We'll go ahead and put it into the parking spot and then bring it down into entry exit. And then once you're in entry exit mode, if you open the door, it won't do it. But you can definitely feel it. And in person, you can see it actively lowering. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.